guys, for the last 5 days I've been out in Spain testing at Navarra. I've been driving for 4 days and in that time I've covered 1,300 kilometres. I've done race sims, quali sims and practice starts. I've been getting to grips with the new Pirelli tyre, testing it in the wet and the dry and doing lots of setup changes to see what works. Overall, these 4 days have been really productive and have ended off with me and my teammate being the 2 fastest on the track. I'd like to thank my partners for supporting me and getting me here. I'd like to thank Jiggy, my driver coach, and Matt, my mechanic. And just all of Prep Tech for making this possible and giving me an amazing car.